Good morning, students. Students, today we will start a new chapter of Hornbill. This is the second chapter. We are not afraid to die. This is the second chapter. And students, first we will discuss about the introduction of this chapter. We are not afraid to die is an adventure ordeal that experienced by a family. On July 1976, the narrator set sail from England. It means we are not afraid to die is an adventure and unpleasant experience that experienced by a family. On July 1976, the narrator started a sea voyage from England. But first, he wanted to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by a Captain Cook, British captain. It means that journey had been started before 200 years by a captain whose name was Cook, who was a British captain. And on January 2nd, huge wave shook the deck and broke over the ship. They had survived for 15 hours. It means on 2nd January, the huge wave, it means a sudden heavy wave hit the ship very badly and tremendous explosion shocked the deck of the boat. But it hit over the ship and they narrator and his family had survived for 15 hours to protect themselves from the sea waves. On January 6, they anchored at tiny island where all the 28 inhabitants came to cheer them. On 6 January, they watched a place where they could stay. It was a small island where all the 28 inhabitants, means many people of different types, could live without happily. And students, these are the characters of this chapter. First character is the narrator. He is the main character of this chapter. And second, the narrator's wife, whose name is Mary. And third, daughter and son. Son is Jonathan and daughter is Suzanne. Larry and Herb, they are crewmen in this chapter. And let's start the summary of this chapter. In July 1976, the narrator and his wife Mary, son Jonathan, and daughter Suzanne set sail from Plymouth, England. It means in July 1976, the narrator and his wife with two children, son Jonathan and daughter Suzanne, had started his journey from Plymouth. It means which is the place of England. And they wanted to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by the Captain James Cook. It means the narrator and his family started that sea journey which had made before 200 years by the Captain James Cook. And they spent last 16 years in sharpening their seafaring skills. It means the narrator spent last 16 years in sharpening their traveling in the sea with the skills. It means they faced the seafaring skills, sea problems 16 years. And their boat, Wave Walker, professionally built and tested in the roughest weather for months. It means their boat, Wave Walker. Students, Wave Walker is the name of their ship. Wave walker ship made for the roughest weather. It means bad weather, for bad weather of the sea. It means the narrator's ship prepared for the purpose to face many dangerous weather of sea. And the first leg of their journey, 1,05,000 kilometer passed pleasantly. It means the first leg means their first step of journey, 1,05,000 kilometer passed away with easily. They took 2 crewmen with them, American Larry Wiggle and Swiss Herb. It means 2 crewmen means who helped in the ship went with narrator. Both were Americans. First was Larry Wiggle and the second was Swiss Herb. Students will learn both helpers' name. These Larry Wiggle and the Swiss Herb, these are the helpers who help in the sea voyage, and they will help to tackle the roughest sea, the Southern Indian Ocean. It means the helpers will help them to face the bad weather of sea in which Southern Indian Ocean, and they sailed to Cape Town and heading towards east. After passing 1,05,000 kilometer distance, firstly they reached to Cape Town. From there they started his journey, and next they sailed towards the east. And in next lines, for next few weeks they encountered strong gales. It means for next few weeks they had to face strong gales. It means strong waves of sea. The size of the waves was alarming. It means the size of the wave means their ship had alarmed of the danger. They celebrated Christmas in spite of rough weather. They celebrated the Christmas in spite of bad weather, and their ship was also alarmed of danger again and again, but they wanted to spend some moment of happiness in danger ship. And the weather getting worse, the weather condition is starting so bad. On January 2nd, waves were really huge. It means on 2nd January, the waves of sea had become so dangerous, and the wind screamed. The wind screamed. It means it was come the strong sound of wind. Okay, students.